As the Dubai Expo 2020 kick-started on October 1st, the Pakistani Pavilion became an instant hit under the theme of Pakistan, the Hidden Treasure, and welcomed thousands of visitors from across the globe, and the momentum is growing with each passing day. The Pakistani Pavilion comprises of 8 key spaces depicting the country's history, ethno-religious diversity, rich culture and traditions, landscapes, wildlife, precious natural resources, and cutting-edge industries for the very first time. One of the pavilions is also dedicated to how Pakistan is combating climate change and displays information and art installations related to the government's Billion Tree Tsunami project. Pakistan, the Hidden Treasure, is taking the visitors from all over the world on one-of-a-kind immersive and multi-sensory journey full of diversity and endless opportunities. From seaside to mountainside, Pakistan is one of the world's best-kept secrets. A region where people enjoy versatile and vibrant culture nurtured by ancient and enduring River Indus. Pavilion theme is put together in a way that it tells the story of our country in a poetic way, in which the past, present and future are woven together as a tapestry that reveals its rich and layered history, culture and traditions, as well as the potential and possibilities it holds for the future. From the dawn of civilization to the history of Pakistan, to the present and to what level Pakistan aims to reach is all displayed across the different sections of the pavilion. Pakistani Pavilion at Dubai Expo 2020 is greatly focused on Invest in Pakistan campaign. Pavilion is to hold various events to showcase the immense potential and opportunities both in tourism and other economic sectors. Multiple business events will be held in which government entities, entrepreneurs, and small-medium enterprises will project their opportunities. By unraveling and bringing forth to the world the many hidden gems that Pakistan has to offer, Dubai Expo 2020 will attract investors from across the world and explore the untapped business and tourism potential of Pakistan. As Dubai Expo 2020 is unveiling hidden tourism and investment opportunities in Pakistan, which implies that a very bright and commercial future awaits us.